Yeah.
I wish it could still be on a mountain.
What do you mean still be on a mountain?
Give me a beach. Yeah.
Careful. Turn to the right. Turn to your left, I mean, your left. You're going this way. Cross the mountain. Follow Jeff. That's it, Ty.
That's excellent. That's awesome. Keep going up. Ethan, cross the mountain. Follow Ethan. Follow Ethan. Ethan, go across the mountain all the way. Guys, all the way across the Tyler. Go all the way across.
Whoa!
Nice.
You guys, yeah, stop.
All right.
Stop.
Hold on here. I'm going to back you up a little bit. But Tyler, I want to see you slow down and try to go back and forth.
Make that pizza. Make that pizza, Ty. Slow down. Slow down. That's it. Nice job, Ty. Stop it, Ethan. Stop. Hard stop. Good job. Way to go, boys.
You guys, across them. Don't go straight down. You know. That's how. I know, but you let Tyler follow you so he gets the idea.
Do follow the leader.
You know how to do
Do
it.
follow the leader.
Follow the leader, Ben. Go. Watch Ben will go across the mountain.
Ben, you hear me?
Across the mountain.
Follow Ben. All the way, Ben. All the way across.
Ben, left. Left.
Slow down, Ben. All the way across. Look what Ben is. Look what Ben is. All the way across Ben. Good. Yeah, Ben, take a stop.
That's it, Ty. You got it, Ty. Don't worry about him. Yeah. Going to the right. Go down Pennsylvania. That was great. You did. Yeah, totally.
I feel like cross the mountain. Just do it.
Ty, left and right. Go across the mountain, Ty.
Not too short, Ethan.
Hard stop if you have to, Ty. Oh, you almost made it the whole way.
I had to.
You had to.
I was out of control.
You actually weren't.
Tyler, that was awesome.
Tyler,
You
that
did
was really
great.
good steering.
That was the best I've seen you all day.
Yep.
Oh,
You always see 2 runs.
Last one.
okay, that was way better. That was already.
That was awesome. Greenhouse.
That's the best ball I ever seen you do. I know that was the best thing. Look,
Ready?
cool.
Greenhouse.
It's on. I'm gonna do that.
Slow down, Ty. Ty, make that pizza. Go across the mountain, left to right, all the way to the right, all the way to the left. Now come all the way back. That's it. That's it, Ty. Go all the way right now. Go all the way to the right. Now go all the way left. All right, Ty, slow down. Get ready. You got to do hard pizza here.
Across the mountain.
Come all the way back left, Ty. All the way back left. All the way back left. You got it, dude. Hard stop right there. Say, I'm a skier. Woo! Good job, boy.